So rather than have you go through the website, which can be actually a little bit hard since not everything is highlighted, decided to make a quick little video just showing some of the differences in the site change. First things first, move the embrace button here, brought the shopping tools and the other menus up, because sometimes when you have a smaller window, they're usually located right here and you can't see them. Then I went ahead and all of these are also highlighted. They all bring you to a C-Class sedan. And it was really just to give you an idea. They're all relatively the same. And the idea here is actually have a few more options right here to let you build or design your car, because it's not really building, as well as compare vehicles and search pre-owned C-Class vehicles. In the build piece, the model is really brought into the actual, choosing the model is actually really brought into the actual application. From here you can choose the model. Once it's selected, go over to exterior. There's a big problem here with error design. When you click this wheel, this specific wheel, we've now implemented a way to put the actual decision making into the modal error that comes up. So which states right here that I'll change the trim and add the sports packaging. You can either close or hit OK. So in this one you'd hit OK, and normally this would be selected. Going from the interior, you can also see the exact opposite, and you're able to just then change the trim. In the normal version, an error modal comes up, and there's no real reason for it once you've selected to go with this wheel. I've also went ahead and incorporated a little transparency, some navigation. You can move forward, you can move backwards. So here we are going to fix that for the final draft. Here we're actually going to move straight into the entertainment and convenience section. You can still schedule a test drive directly from here. This has been moved down, so it's still within generally the first frame of the website, and you will see it. Moving along forward, you can still do this. Not a lot of changes made here. Some more made to the service and care section. I wanted to go ahead and introduce a way, because it's called services and care, just to find a local dealership, which this would then take you to an external host, which would find you a local dealership, such as this. So moving along, going into the summary, there have been some changes that I've made here. You can again find your local dealership, and I've also scooted this over, directly over here from right here, and that's just to really bring it closer to the actual car. You can schedule a test drive. You can go back or proceed forward. There should be a little arrow here. The idea of scheduling a test drive is the final step, because it's really a big piece in actually purchasing the car. Going down, you can give feedback. This has been completely redesigned. Also, you can go back to build right here, but this is terrible on Mercedes' regular website. It is just a jumblement of forms and breaks every single form principle in the book. So, moving forward, you can be finished, and this will let you continue going through this entire website, bring you back to the beginning. You can submit another email, or you can go back to the build application. Those have all been reintroduced and changed in order to improve user experience. So, wanted to give you guys a quick pass at my prototype, excuse me, and so you didn't really have to play with it on your own. Okay, thank you. Bye.